I'm gonna zoom in so you can right here. Can you guys see that?
Picking up a passenger.
Turn right, then turn right.
Hey guys, it's me, Twilight Destiny Moon. I was told that you guys want to see my face, so here's my face. So I just thought I would show you guys what I'm doing right now. I'm charging my car. I'm driving the Polestar 2. It's a 2023, see? And I'm a Lyft driver, so I thought I would stop after my last passenger and charge. So let me show you what it looks like. This is the charging station right here, and so it's actually, hold on a second. So you plug it in just like you would a regular car, and that green light indicates that it's charging. And then this is, I use EVgo, and then it'll show the percentage of what the car is at. So right now it's at 45%. So it'll probably take me about 30 minutes or so to charge. This is inside of the car, so it's got all the different apps. So I have Maps, Waze, Performance, YouTube, Tubi, YouTube Music, Spotify. All of your apps are within this area, and so I'm going to go ahead and do YouTube, and we'll just click on anything right now. So, oh, we're watching Marwa. So sometimes the screen will be green. Let me turn it down. Sorry, Marwa. And what you do in this car is, if it is green, you go up here to the settings. Up here. So what I do is I change it, and I usually, right now it's at 240p. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to 480, and we'll see if it plays. That. So now it should play. And it's going to start any moment. There we go. So this is how I watch you, Marwa, when I am on doing my Lyft rides and I have to stop and charge my car. So this is where I watch it, right here in my car. So, all right, I'm gonna go have something to eat, and I'm gonna go have some Mexican food. So let's go. Come along with me. All right. So there's a lot of different food choices here, but I think I'm gonna go with my Mexican food. I'm craving some street tacos, some chicken street tacos, but we have a couple of different places here as options. Mountain Mike's Pizza. Board and Brew Sandwiches, which is an amazing place. It's really good. Okay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get my food. I'm gonna go ahead and get my chicken street tacos. So, right now it's at 45%. So, it'll probably take me about 30 minutes or so to charge. So, Do you have like the chicken and steak mini tacos, like a special or anything?
We do mini tacos, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind would
So
you like?
3, let's do 2 chicken and 1, is it steak?
Okay, one
yeah.
mini taco, 2 chicken, 1
Yeah.
steak. Okay.
And then, this is horchata, right? This one?
Uh-huh.
What's this one?
That one is Jamaican.
That's the watermelon lime?
Yeah.
I'll do a large.
And that one is cucumber lime,
Or
right?
cucumber lime, yeah. I'll do one of those.
That'll be off you?
Yeah,
Great. So it's going to be 934 for here too?
for here.
Sounds great.
Yeah, I've been doing it for, it'll be 4 years in December. So,
Thank you very much.
awesome. Okay, thank you. Look at you guys. Yum. This is where the magic happens back here. Ooh, look at that. Cucumber lime. It is amazing, you guys. You have to try this. Wow. That was the most amazing food ever. I've gone there a couple times and every time I go there I'm super impressed. So that'll be in Oceanside and it's called Valerie's Taco Shop. It's in the Winco Shopping Center on El Camino Real in Oceanside, California. Yeah. Go check them out if you're in town. All right, let's go. I just wanted to share this car with you all. Wow, that's a nice car. Corvette. I found a whole bunch of poppers. You don't understand how exciting this is. They look like grapes. You don't eat them. They're not edible. But they are the most fun thing ever to pop. Look at it. How cool is that? So we'll go ahead and throw it back. We made it to the beach. I just finished working 6 hours driving, so I figured I need a little. So we are at the beach. So yeah, I just worked 6.5 hours. I'm tired. Kind of needed to get out, stretch my body. So let's go down to the water. It's beautiful today. The temperature is 83 degrees. So let's go. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna take my shoes off. Hopefully nobody steals them. That would be good. I don't think anybody wants my raggedy shoes. Put my socks here. Oh, you know what? All right, I'll leave them here. I think they'll be fine. Let's go to the ocean. So right now I'm in Carlsbad, California. Because I drive for a living, I'm always all over everywhere in San Diego, so yeah. Ah. I'm gonna flip it around real quick. I don't have the cutest toes. Geez, it looks like I have huge feet. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, this sand feels so good on my feet right now. Oh, so good. It's a feather. Actually, I don't want to get my feet wet. Because if I get my feet wet, then I won't be able to get them in my shoes. It's too late. Okay, I got my feet wet. I got my feet wet. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it's cold. Oh my gosh. Oh, that actually feels really good though, after being in shoes all day. So I'm gonna walk over here to where the jetty is, so I can show you that. It's right behind me there, see? Oh, look at my footprints. Look. You can see them. Oh! Oh my God, it got me. I was not expecting that. I heard that feathers are good luck, so you guys should always pick up a feather when it comes across your path. Wow, the water's really going up high. So we'll walk over here to the jetty. Sometimes there's really cool shells over there too. We got a bunch of seagulls. See them all? Let's see if I can. Living the life, right? Oh my God. These are really cool. I like to pop these. I don't know if you can see it. See? Usually you stomp on them. And they pop. Woo! There's a surfer out there. I don't know if you can see him. But yeah, I love coming to the beach. It's very therapeutic. You know, out of the car getting some exercise. Feels good. And the water's actually very refreshing. Oh shit. No, don't get my pants wet. Oh, okay. So, this is the jetty right here. A lot of people go to the top and they go fishing. And, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Now it's time to go pick up the kid. Actually, his name is Derek, my son. And he's 12 years old. And he doesn't know that I'm surprising him early. So let's head over to the skate park and go get him. Okay, I just did the dumbest thing. So you know how I put my shoes down and I was like, oh, nobody's gonna steal your shoes. I just walked so far and I was going that way and I couldn't find my shoes, and then I realized they're way over here. by the jetty. So I walked way past, like past there, looking for my shoes. And if you guys don't know, it's very hard to walk in sand. That's why I'm out of breath. Plus, I could easily lose about 40 pounds, so. Too old for this. No, I need to be in shape. Actually, walking on the sand is probably the best exercise. Plus, I'm hot because I'm wearing this sweater. So, I found my shoes. Let's go. Can you see them playing volleyball? Oh, we got shoes. All right, I'm back. We arrived at our favorite spot after school and work, 7-Eleven. All right, where's my card? All right, so this is almost the end of our day. Oh, there's my favorite guy. It's Steve-O from the movie Jackass. You guys, have you ever seen Jackass? Look, Steve-O. No, what's his name?
Johnny Knoxville.
Johnny Knoxville.
It will in a couple of weeks. I just got to cut.
Look, come here.
I just got to cut this.
Huh?
Johnny Knoxville looks like this because he has darker glasses like this.
You look just like him, though.
Like
really.
this.
Yeah, Johnny Knoxville. Steve. This is my favorite 7-Eleven guy. So, all right. So, I already know what my kid's gonna get. What kind do we have? Vitamin water, Slurpee, Coke. Ooh, Purple-Xed. Raspberry blue. All right. Jamasha, horchata, and mango. Actually, that one looks really good.
It's the pregnancy.
A pregnancy test?
Yeah, and then some guy, it was a guy's name, eyebrow tweezers
Yeah.
and condoms.
Oh my God.
But that's the first time I got one of the little child's little things. I just saw your son.
You did?
Before you came.
You know, he got into an accident yesterday.
In the Beamer?
Yeah.
Dad?
Yeah.
Somebody hit him, I hope.
So, yeah, well, no.
I mean-
The guy from the back hit him, and then he hit another car. So his front bumper and his, yeah, he's not happy.
After the accident for everybody.
Yeah. Because he was like, is that my fault? And I'm like, no, you.
Good thing, but
Yeah.
bad thing, you hit the car.
So. I'm just going to show you guys the different chips. Doritos Salsa Verde, Doritos Flaming Hot Nacho, Doritos Spicy Sweet Chili, Nacho Cheese, Cool Ranch. There's a lot of different kinds. So, Sylvia, if you're watching this, you got to tell me what kind of Doritos you want because there's a million. I'm showing you everything. Oh, these are my favorite Sun Chips. Let me know if you like those. Pork rinds are my favorite. And then the Takis are terrible, but the kids like them. And here's the Blue Heat ones. Blue Heat and Fuego. So, all right, time to go home. Let's get out of here. All right, bye, Steve. Alright guys, we arrived to go pick up my son, and he already knows I'm here, so it's not a surprise, but let's go watch him and see what he's up to. There's a lot of people here going on. There's a football game too. So, let's see. I'm not quite sure where he is. I gotta find him.
I just learned that trick right before I fucking crashed my bike.
Oh, there he is. He's over there in the white shirt.
I'm like getting better and better and better. I got that over the bridge from the day before I crashed my motorcycle.
He has no idea that I'm here. Actually, he knows.
Oh yeah, oh like all the way out like fat back neck. I just learned that shit the day before I crashed my bike. I'm pissed off every day. What do you throw left leg? Left leg, yeah. Right hip. Oh god. Right.
Actually, I should probably be on the other side because it's kind of dim.
Not too bad. Not as cool as like a fucking. I would mainly do the whip. Like, yeah, exactly. The whip and the leg motion are like, as long as you get that, you got the trick. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm a mom, so you know that makes me nervous. right here is where they sell all the snacks. Actually, we'll go this way. Whew. Actually, I think I'll just sit right here on this picnic table. There he is. There's my boo-boo. So pretty over here. These guys scare me.